If your Telkom LTE SIM card has been stolen, damaged, or gone missing, don't stress. Here's exactly what you need to know to get your services back as quickly as possible. First, it helps to know exactly which situation you're dealing with, because the steps are slightly different. If your phone was stolen, device and SIM card together, you need to move fast. You'll need to blacklist the device and block the SIM before anyone can use up your number, run up your data, or access anything linked to your account. If your SIM card was just simply damaged or gone missing, you can just skip straight ahead to a SIM swap. Much simpler and usually sorted within the same day. Let's run them both. Step 1. Contact Telkom straight away. You can dial 081 180 from any South African network. This line usually deals with stolen devices and blocks SIM cards specifically. You can just tell the agent on the line that your device has been stolen and they'll get to it. Step 2. Have your details ready. You'll need to provide your mobile number, your ID number, and your physical address, and your device's unique IMEI number, which is a 15-digit code that is tied to your device. If you don't have this at the top of your head, that's completely fine. You can find this in your original box or purchase receipt or your insurance documentation. The sooner you get this done, the better. Step 3. Get your SIM swap done. Head down to your nearest Telkom store and bring your ID and your proof of residence. This is required for RICA, which is a South African legal requirement for all new SIM card registrations. When you get your new SIM card, your number will be linked to your existing number and also your account. SIM swaps are usually processed within the same day. However, activations can take up to 24 hours to be completed. Once the SIM is activated though, you can just pop it into your device and you're good to go. Now, if you're a DSL Telecom customer and you need help with this, our support team is always happy to help. You can log a ticket or browse a full library of Telkom guides at service.dsltelecom.co.za. The link is in the description. And if you want to explore what else DSL Telecom offers, from Telkom LTE to Yaystar Cloud PBXs to Zoho Business Software, visit dsltelecom.co.za. And if this video helped, please leave a like, share and subscribe for more practical guides from DSL Telecom. And we'll see you in the next one.